Here are 7 of the most peculiar large-scale projects around the world, ranging from India's massive statue located in a remote area to a replica of Paris in China, an uncommon bridge, and the world's largest illegally taken building. Number 7. MSG Sphere in Las Vegas. Las Vegas, known as the entertainment capital of the world, exemplifies this title with the construction of the MSG Sphere. The MSG Sphere, also referred to as the Madison Square Garden Sphere, is a forthcoming music and entertainment venue. It stands at a height of 112 meters and measures 157 meters at its widest point, making it the largest sphere worldwide. Within its interior, there will be a seating capacity for 17,500 individuals, accommodating concerts, shows, and various entertainment experiences. The aim is to create a fully immersive atmosphere by utilizing motion, sound, visuals, scent, and temperature to engage the audience. The visual aspect is enhanced by the world's largest LED screen, with an extraordinary resolution of 19,000 by 13,500, which encompasses the audience, delivering a fully immersive encounter. Moreover, the sphere's exterior will consist entirely of screens, capable of transforming into anything, from holiday displays to showcasing events within the sphere or even simulating the Earth. The MSG Sphere is designed to be the most extensive and immersive entertainment experience in Las Vegas. Construction commenced in year, with the initiation of basement work in July 2019. The exterior of the sphere was completed in June 2021, followed by interior work in August 2021. Officials estimate that the sphere will open its doors to the public in 2023, providing an awe-inspiring entertainment experience. The projected total cost of the MSG Sphere is approximately $1.8 billion by the time of its opening. Number 6. Statue of Unity. This memorial statue, located in Gujarat, India, holds the title of being the largest statue in the world, towering at a staggering height of 240 meters. It represents Vallabhbhai Patel, a significant figure in Indian history. To provide a sense of scale, this statue is 110 times taller than an average human. Comparatively, it surpasses other notable mega-projects in height, such as the 38-meter statue of Jesus Christ in Rio de Janeiro, which is 6 times shorter, and the Statue of Liberty at 93 meters, which is less than 3 times its height. It even surpasses the second tallest statue globally, the Spring Temple Buddha in China. The Statue of Unity, as it is known, stands taller than renowned landmarks like the Great Pyramid of Giza, the Eiffel Tower, and the Empire State Building. Its length is exemplified by the fact that each foot of the statue measures around 70 feet. From a distance of 7 kilometers, the statue is visible, emphasizing its impressive size. Inside the statue, there are several accessible areas for the public, including a museum, exhibition space, memorial gardens, and an observation gallery. However, 2 of the 5 zones are designated for maintenance purposes. The statue attracts around 15,000 tourists daily. Currently, the statue's reddish copper color will gradually transform into a green patina over the next century due to copper oxidation, a natural process observed in other copper statues like the Statue of Liberty. The monumental statue serves as a representation of Vallabhbhai Patel, who played a crucial role as the first Home Minister of independent India. His accomplishment in unifying all 562 princely states in pre-independent India led to the tribute of this statue and memorial from the people. Despite his achievements, Patel faced criticism during his time as Prime Minister due to allegations of bias against Muslims. The construction of the Statue of Unity began in October 2013 amidst protests from nearby villages. Residents of 22 villages expressed concerns over potential environmental damage and displacement caused by the construction. Nevertheless, the construction persisted. Multiple small-scale models were created and revised until the final design was approved. The approved model was then scanned using 3D technology and sent to large factories in China, as they were the only facilities capable of casting the massive copper plates required for the statue's exterior. Once cast, the pieces were transported and assembled in a nearby warehouse before being lifted onto the statue. Over 3,000 workers and 250 engineers collaborated to bring the Statue of Unity to life. To ensure structural stability, the statue incorporates 250-ton mass dampers, similar to those found in skyscrapers. These dampers enhance the statue's ability to withstand strong winds of up to 180 kilometers per hour and earthquakes of up to 6.5 magnitude. The total cost of the statue's construction, including safety measures, amounted to 27 billion rupees, equivalent to $422 million. The statue was inaugurated on October 31, 2018, which marked Vallabhbhai Patel's 143rd birthday. While many view the statue as a fitting tribute to the unification of India, some perceive its construction as being driven by a strong political agenda. Number 5. Pont Jacques Chaban-Delmas. A new vertical lift bridge was inaugurated in Bordeaux, France in 2013. The purpose of constructing this bridge was to improve traffic flow across the Garonne River, and it stands out as an impressive engineering accomplishment with a distinctive design. Known as the Pont Jacques Chaban-Delmas, its construction commenced in 2009 and features 4 pylons, between which there is a lifting span measuring 117 meters. In its entirety, the bridge spans 575 meters, making it the longest vertical lift bridge in Europe. The pylons serve as housing for counterweights, enabling the span to be lifted to the necessary height for river traffic. They are also equipped with lights that change color based on the water level, glowing blue during high tide and green during low tide. The construction of this bridge posed a challenge for officials who needed to ensure the continuous flow of river traffic while connecting the Bacolin and Bastide areas, which were undergoing revitalization efforts. The bridge was required to be near the water and blend harmoniously with the surrounding quays. The process of raising the bridge span takes just 12 minutes, but it can cause delays of up to 90 minutes for car traffic due to river traffic. Nevertheless, the bridge, which is named after the former French Prime Minister and Mayor of Bordeaux, is projected to accommodate 43,000 vehicles per day. The overall cost of this unique construction project amounted to 160 million euros, or approximately $195 million. Number 4. Dubai Frame. The world's largest picture frame, situated 150 meters above Zabil Park in Dubai, serves as a connection between the past and the future, symbolizing Dubai's journey and its forthcoming trajectory. Unlike smaller frame statues like the Morecambe Promenade in the UK, Dubai's frame, costing $62 million, possesses unique features. It encompasses a museum, observation deck, and an exhibit envisioning the United Arab Emirates state in 50 years. The construction of the frame, which commenced in 2013, aimed to accentuate Dubai's opulence. One side of the observation deck overlooks the historic sections of the city, while the other provides tourists with a panoramic view of skyscrapers and futuristic developments spanning the past 5 decades, including the Burj Khalifa. Drawing in over 17 million visitors in 2019, the frame has become a popular destination in Dubai. The frame's construction involved assembling the central glass observation deck on the ground and then raising and placing it between the towers. The exterior boasts laminate glass panels arranged in a golden ring pattern, mirroring the World Expo 2022 logo as part of intentional advertising, as Dubai is hosting the event. The museum within the frame delves into the history of the United Arab Emirates, taking visitors on a chronological journey before culminating in a virtual reality exhibit titled The Future of Dubai. Here, guests experience a futuristic city powered by wind energy, complete with flying cars, drone deliveries, numerous ambitious projects, and other technological advancements. The concept for the Dubai frame originated in 2009 during ThyssenKrupp's contest to design an innovative elevator tower for Dubai. The objective was to create a distinctive elevator structure that would enable tourists to ascend and enjoy an aerial view of the city. Out of more than 4,600 participating architects, Fernando Donis emerged as the winner with his design of the Dubai frame. Donis based his structure on the golden ratio, or 1:1.618, a widely accepted architectural and artistic principle representing both structural integrity and aesthetic appeal. This ratio can be observed in iconic structures like the Great Pyramid at Giza and the Parthenon. The frame itself embodies a golden rectangle, exemplifying impeccable design. ThyssenKrupp's competition featured other intriguing entries, such as Lu Sawi's Magic Mirror, a twisted circular structure framing the Burj Khalifa perfectly when viewed from the correct angle, and Honbolulu's The Flying Colors of Dubai, an elevator adorned with colorful flakes. Although Donis's design was chosen for the frame, he alleges that he was not properly compensated for his work. While he received the prize money for winning the competition, he claims that Dubai never paid him the full amount for realizing his project. Unfortunately, his lawsuit has hit a roadblock due to Dubai's self-granted immunity in such disputes. Donis contends that his intellectual property rights were violated, dubbing the frame the biggest stolen building of all time. Number 3. Katara Towers in Lusail City. Lusail City, an intentional urban development in Qatar, aims to provide exceptional urban experiences for privileged residents. Upon completion, Lusail City will encompass various amenities such as entertainment districts, shopping areas, marinas, resorts, and residential zones. Initially designed to accommodate 250,000 inhabitants, the city's capacity is expected to expand to approximately 450,000 residents in the future. By 2021, Lusail City is nearing completion, although certain sections are still under construction. Qatar, as the host of the 2022 World Cup, is investing considerable effort into showcasing its ambitious mega-projects and technological advancements. However, it is important to note that the construction of these mega-projects involves numerous human rights violations and the exploitation of workers. Unfortunately, many soccer enthusiasts and teams worldwide overlook these issues. Among the ongoing mega-projects is the Lusail Iconic Stadium, slated for completion by the end of 2021. This stadium will host only 10 soccer matches before being transformed into a smaller venue. Additionally, the Katara Towers, an intriguing project within Lusail, will comprise a hotel, luxury apartments, and more. The tower's distinctive design, reminiscent of a crescent moon, serves as a symbol of hospitality in Qatar and represents the dual swords featured on Qatar's national seal. Once finished, the Katara Towers will serve as a prominent symbol of hospitality and national pride. Initially proposed in 2014, the project aims to be completed by the start of the World Cup in 2022. The total cost of constructing these unique towers is estimated at approximately 2.2 billion Qatari rials or $604 million. Number 2. Beijing Daxing International Airport. Situated on the boundary of Beijing and Langfang in Hebei Province, Beijing Daxing is the second international airport of the capital city. It is known as the Starfish due to its unique six-spoke layout, and it boasts the world's largest single-building airport terminal, covering an area approximately equivalent to 97 soccer fields. At its peak capacity, this new international airport has the potential to accommodate up to 200 million passengers annually, which could make it the busiest airport globally. To handle such a high volume, the airport utilizes facial recognition technology for check-in, reducing the need for long queues or interactions with receptionists. Additionally, the airport plans to introduce robot-enabled customer service to assist passengers as they navigate the terminal. In 2012, Beijing Capital International Airport, the city's original airport, was operating at full passenger capacity. Despite the demand continually increasing at a rate of around 5% per year, the old airport's design had reached its limits. To alleviate the strain, construction on Beijing Daxing International Airport began in December 2014. The initial plan included 9 runways and the creation of 600,000 new jobs for Beijing residents. After a construction period of 5 years, 11 villages were relocated to make way for the airport. The airport's unique and captivating design, conceived by architect Zaha Hadid, not only emphasizes aesthetics but also focuses on convenience. The central courtyard serves as a vital meeting place for passengers and their families, while the spoke design facilitates faster access to planes. It takes just approximately 8 minutes to walk from the security checkpoint to any gate. Furthermore, the design expedites both entry and exit processes for passengers, as well as improves aircraft parking and retrieval, aiming to minimize overall airport transit time. Despite currently having 5 runways, 4 for civilian use and 1 for military purposes, instead of the initially planned 9, the airport's highly optimized layout enables it to handle around 300 takeoffs and landings per hour. Reaching the airport by train is also convenient thanks to the Daxing Airport Express, a high-speed rail system that runs beneath Beijing Daxing. The underground rail system is supported by over 1,000 anti-shock cushions, effectively reducing train vibrations and keeping passengers above unaware. Additionally, the airport features an artificial lake sourced from rainwater. 6 pools collect rainwater, storing it in an internal channel. After undergoing filtration and purification processes, the water is reused for the airport's aesthetic water features, including the lake. In 2020, Beijing Daxing Airport served 16 million passengers, and this number continues to grow. The construction of the airport cost the government around 80 billion yuan, or $11.4 billion. Meanwhile, Beijing Capital International Airport remains operational, with many high-capacity airlines transitioning to Beijing Daxing, including most of China's SkyTeam Airport Alliance. Sharing the passenger load between the two airports has provided much-needed relief for the old airport. Number 1. Tianduching in China. Imitation is often considered the highest form of flattery, but this may not hold for several of China's less original construction endeavors. China is home to numerous copycat towns and structures that replicate famous landmarks from around the world, such as Venice, London, and the White House. The residents of these distinctive towns perceive them as a fusion of the world's finest offerings, allowing them to experience diverse cultures without leaving China. Tianduching, also known as Sky City, is one such imitation city that mimics the essence of Paris, complete with a 108-meter-tall replica of the Eiffel Tower. China went to great lengths to replicate even the minutest details, such as street lamp posts and the layout of surrounding greenery resembling the original. Initially designed to accommodate 10,000 residents upon its inauguration in 2007, Tianduching soon became a deserted ghost town with a mere 2,000 inhabitants by 2013. This was primarily due to its isolated location just outside Hangzhou. However, in recent years, the number of residents has gradually increased, leading to additional developments being introduced to cater to the growing demand for housing. The opening of a metro station in Tianduching in 2021 is expected to enhance occupancy rates and alleviate the issue of isolation. Furthermore, China has decided to veer away from these imitation projects, as new regulations implemented in 2020 impose restrictions on foreign architectural designs. The country aims to shift focus towards promoting its unique Chinese architecture rather than imitating renowned landmarks. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Also, make sure to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. And as always, feel free to leave any comments or suggestions down below. See you in the next video.